To become part of the brotherhood of muscle, it takes more than just a car. It needs you to show off an incredible personality. Inspiring, inimitable, incomparable.
Hi, I'm Ida Zetterström and this is In or Out by Dodge, episode 2. Welcome to Sweden.
For the first episode, I met an Italian performance fanatic. He put the outstanding Dodge's 6.2-liter V8 engine to the test on one of the most iconic racing circuits of the world, Monza. Today, I'm in Sweden in my home country, on board what has become my daily drive, a fantastic Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. I don't know if you're familiar with the Swedish passion for muscle cars, but I can tell you, it is huge. In fact, for this episode, I'm driving in the beautiful county of Dalarna, where I'm meeting a true local legend whose passion for muscle cars, and for Dodge in particular, has made the news several times all over the world.
Now it's time to go meet Johan, a real Dodge lover, and he lives here in Mora. Okay, I can definitely tell this is Johan's place. Where is Johan? Hi! What an entrance! Not only muscle cars, muscle boats.
Everything with engine in it.
I like that.
Johan Eriksson owns a whole collection of amazing Dodge cars, mostly from the 60s, but he is much more than just a collector. Together with his team, powered by Johan, he has restored and built some of the most admired Dodge cars ever. He has participated in the most important muscle car festivals, and he has been interviewed in the most famous car shows in the world. Just hit the search bar and you will discover lots and lots of amazing pictures and videos dedicated to his unique story of passion.
Now it's your turn to take a seat in my car.
Yes.
So this is my daily drive. This is this year's Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat and it is the last call model. It has 717 horsepower, it's a supercharged V8, 6.2 liters, and it's very fun.
Yeah. I can believe that.
My new Dodge Challenger caught Johan's attention. He made a good point about it. In his backyard, two different generations meet, but you can feel that all cars share the same untouched DNA.
I can't wait to start this up and race it.
I can't wait for that either, but I do know you have some stuff to show me inside first.
Absolutely.
Let's head over. You have done a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
A lot of awards, and I can see you've been in a lot of magazines,
Yeah.
some covers.
Every paper I've been in with a red RTR has been on the front page.
That's something to brag about.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, let's sit down. I actually have something I want us to do. Okay, so in this series we have a little game, call it All In. I'm going to hand you these cards, and on these there are different words, and I want you to choose 4 of them that you think matches what your feelings are of this brotherhood of muscle.
Instantaneous. I remember when I heard a muscle car from the beginning, it was a neighbor who had a really powerful Dodge.
Yeah?
And I remember the song. I remember that.
That's instant love.
Absolutely. Independent.
Yeah?
When I sit in those cars, I feel so free. I feel good.
Just you and the open road.
Yes. Incomparable. And we work on this car because it's so many hours. Together with your friends, you feel so good.
I understand
That's
that.
incomparable.
Yeah.
Incredible. When I start with this, I never could think about how incredible this could be.
Yeah.
Because I have the luck to get cars that many people love. And
Yeah.
they write to me and ask if they can tattoo my cars in their bodies, get tattoo the license plate, and it's crazy.
Oh, that's incredible for sure.
Yeah, muscle cars, love is really big and strong.
It's a brotherhood.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, now when we're done with the game, I think we should head back outside and see if you're in for the last call.
I'm so excited about that and get out and feel the power of that
Yes.
car.
Let's do that.
Yes.
Okay, Johan, I happen to have a fun Hellcat and I would love to give you the keys to take it for a spin.
Thank you very much. Which one of my cars do you want to test?
Ooh, I do happen to know that you have kind of a Dodge icon, and it's always been a dream of mine to kind of try this car. Maybe you could fulfill that dream today?
Maybe. Could that be that car you mean?
Oh yes, this is the one.
Let's go and race them.
Yes.
You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
So easy to drive. Anyway, I can drive this car, and then when you hit the pedal, it be a really angry Hellcat. Oh, I can't stop laughing.
The Viper is such an icon. Everybody that has their hands on one, they don't want to let it go, and everybody that don't, they just want to have one. And I've always wanted to get my hands on one of these and try them out, and it totally matches my expectations. It's a really good presentation of a true muscle car and a true Dodge. Wow, Johan, what a view!
Yeah.
And what a car!
Yeah, two cars. I mean, this is amazing. The Viper is an icon, but I also think that the last call will be a really icon in the future.
I truly enjoy driving this. It puts a smile on my face every day. But that's it for Sweden. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, Ida. Thank you, Dodge. I'm very impressed.
So let's head back to your place then.
Maybe do some more burnout.
I like that idea.
For the next episode, we have something big coming. See you in Germany.